guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Roblox Studio game. And if you don't have Roblox Studio, you're going to have to get Roblox Player. You don't have to type in player in it. Then after that, get Roblox Studio so you can publish your games to Roblox. So while I think I should just go in here. So we're gonna start off with a base plate. If you don't like how the base plate looks, just select the base plate. Sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, find the base plate. So all you have to press is workspace, this little thing on the side. Then you press base plate. What I want to do is see down here. I'm just gonna put you can name it whatever you want and stuff. Yeah. Anchored is so it can stay up in the air because it's not actually. So it's just anchored means it's floating, and yeah. What you want to do if you don't like how it looks is you want to go, so you can go in here to change the color. I'm going to make it look like sand. So you can press any one of these that you want. Then material. It's plastic, so I'm going to pick, where is it? Sand. There. Now I have a sandy area. So next up here is the play area. You can press that to play. Then you're on sand. So, oh wait, I accidentally pressed wood. Sand. There. Now I have sand. Sometimes if you want to search stuff you want, you can do cat die. I spelled that wrong. I'm just gonna, yeah. I think there's a cactus somewhere around here. Cat. Yeah. Let's see if there's actually results of this cactus. Cacti. Okay, you can search for stuff like cacti if you want. That and just the toolbox at the top of the screen. And where's the next thing? Alright, test. Actually, you can press down here, and then play here is so you can play where you are. I use that a lot of the time. And then you can press run so it runs the game and sees if your stuff is correct. Or so far I don't have anything in the scripting. I will hopefully make a scripting video soon, but yeah, I want to show you how to do some other stuff. If you don't like the size of this, you can just press scale. Remember, press space play, and then size it back down. So you can make it super high up, like very, very high up. Or you can make it very, or you can make it, oh wait, this is probably just making it higher, but yeah, you get the point. And collisions makes it so stuff can't go through each other. If you want stuff to be able to go through each other, then turn collision. Let me just see. But I'm gonna get a part. You can get a part from right there, right at the top of the screen. Then you can size it to wherever you want. Collisions makes it so it doesn't go through with stuff, like you don't want stuff going through this. Well, if you don't have collisions on, you can just go through this. Well, you won't be able to, but if you don't want people to be able to stand on stuff for like obbies, or for stuff to not be able to be seen, you want to set the transparency to 1, then you can't see it. If you want them to not be able to stand on it, then you turn off can collide. And then I'm gonna press play here. Can collide is off, so I'm gonna show you how it works. Oh, I forgot to turn on anchored. So yeah, that's why anchored is very useful. Turn it on. And then now it's here. It looks like it's here, but really you can actually fall through it all the way down. So, bye guys, hope you enjoyed. If you want me to show you some more stuff about Roblox Studio itself, then yeah, leave a like and comment down. If we get, let's say, 3 likes, then I'll do another one of these videos, and bye.